Hey guys, welcome back to HackIsOn tutorial. So in this video I'll be demonstrating you about how to install Recon-ng and what is Recon-ng. Okay, so this is an introduction video and I'll be doing a playlist about Recon-ng. So watch this video till the end. Okay, so that you might don't get any error. Okay, so while the installation process goes on. So what's Recon-ng? So Recon-ng is a web reconnaissance framework which is written with Python. Okay, so basically it is written with Python, and the tool was written by Tim Toms, and he is from Black Hills. Okay, so it's an organization, and this is an open source intelligence tool, and it is like open source, so everyone can use it, and it is a very powerful and flexible tool which has the moving parts which is similar to Metasploit framework. Okay, so if you have came across with Metasploit framework, then this tool will be similar to that. Okay, so it will look similar to that, and it's also having some certain modules which you can use for the reconnaissance purpose. Okay, so it is a complete it has a complete independent modules with it. Okay, so this is a completely meant only for web reconnaissance tool, web reconnaissance. And if you are a bug bounty hunter, like if you are a web penetration tester or a bug bounty hunter, then definitely reconnaissance plays a main role for you. Okay, so move on to the installation part. Okay, so basically let me open my Kali subsystem. So I'll give the link in the description box because someone don't have the Recon-ng, right? So there are two ways you can install it, one through GitHub, and the another way is apt-get install command. Okay, so apt-get install Recon-ng. So this is a command which you can use. Okay, so it will also make a Recon-ng to be installed in your system, and here you could see the message that I have already having this. Okay, so because I would suggest you this, guys, so go with this because it won't create that much issues, right? So you just type the command in your terminal and that's it, boom, Recon-ng will be installed. Okay, so after installing, so let me open it and show you. So this is the Recon-ng tool. Okay, so here you could see that it has lots of modules in it. So these are all the modules which are available with Recon-ng tool, guys. Okay, so we will be discussing about lots of things about the Recon-ng in our next video. Okay, so this is basically an introduction video, so I'm going to stop with this. So in our next video we'll be deeply discussing about the other parts of the tool. Okay, so about modules and how can we choose our target and how can we do the reconnaissance purpose and all in our upcoming videos. Okay, so don't miss it out, guys. If you are a new viewer to this channel, please click on the bell icon and click on the subscribe button to get immediate updates. Okay, brother, it's caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the crossfire.